Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by Assam Public Service Commission. As you can see here on the screen, Assam Public Service Commission is going to recruit engineers in civil, mechanical and electrical engineering discipline. And if you look at the discipline-wise vacancies, then you can see in civil engineering discipline, number of vacancies 128, in mechanical 38 and in electrical 16. So friends, before we continue our discussion, I would like to inform all of you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications, be it central government recruitment notification, all other state government notifications, as well as friends, we used to cover all other public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notifications. So if you are watching our videos for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to the analysis once again, as you can see here, friends, if you look at the first post, that is assistant engineer in civil engineering discipline, total number of vacancies 128 and the number of vacancies is divided among various category of candidates. Coming to the next post, that is assistant engineer mechanical, total number of vacancies, as I have already told, 38, and that has also been divided among the various category of candidates. And then comes assistant engineer electrical, total number of vacancies 16. So friends, if you look at the other information regarding the same, scale of pay will be from 30,000 to 1,10,000 in pay band 4 with grade pay 12,700 plus other allowances are admissible under rule of the Assam government. So friends, eligibility criteria is one of the most important in case of recruitments for Assam, because except for the other states, it is required that the candidate must produce registration certificate of employment exchange in state of Assam along with the application form. And friends, as well as the candidate must be a permanent resident of Assam. So that is not applicable to the other state candidates, because for Assam it is reserved for the jobs are reserved for the Assam state candidates only. The candidate must produce PRC issue in Assam for educational purpose as proof of residency along with the application form. So friends, this is the eligibility criteria. Now coming to educational qualification, that is candidate must possess a degree in the respective branch of engineering from any institute recognized by AICTE. And friends, some other informations are also there. If you belong to SC/ST category candidates, then you will be getting age relaxation of 5 years, for OBC 3 years, for person with disabilities 10 years relaxation is permissible as per government norms. So friends, number of posts as I already have told. And now coming to junior engineer, total number of vacancy is 219 civil, 66 in mechanical, 12 in electrical. And friends, it is in the irrigation department of state of Assam, and all the vacancies are divided among various categories as you can see here on the screen. Now coming to the qualification, eligibility criteria is same as the previous post. Pay scale is 14,000 till 60,500 and grade pay is 8,700. And friends, educational qualification is State Council of Technical Education approved. If you have done your diploma from State Council of Technical Education approved institutions, then you will be eligible to apply for the same post. And friends, as I have already told for the previous post, this is also applicable to this post, that is 5 years relaxation will be permissible for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC and 10 years for person with disabilities. So friends, in assistant engineer civil, electrical, mechanical, chemical under public health engineering department, these are the vacancies: 632 for civil, 20 for mechanical, 2 for electrical, 3 for chemical. And these all vacancies are divided among various categories as you can see here on the screen. And all other informations like scale of pay is same as junior engineer for irrigation. Eligibility criteria is also same, educational qualification is also same, and age relaxation is also same for the various categories. So friends, this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding the same. And if you would like to download the official notification, or if you would like to get this notification what we are analyzing now, you can download it from our Telegram channel. So friends, application fees about 250 rupees will have to be provided. For SC/ST 150, and for candidates below poverty level no application fee is required. So friends, this was all about the recruitment notification. If you are having any queries, let us know by commenting in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.